If you have to refinance auto loan with bad credit due to economic hardship and are concerned that you aren't going to find a lender who is willing to work with you, have no fear because there are plenty of people who are in the very same boat as you. In fact, the number of consumers dealing with bad credit or no credit at all has increased dramatically over recent years due to poor economic conditions, and the number of lenders willing to work with people with credit issues has also increased. Is refinancing right for you? Before you begin your search for a lender who is willing to work with someone with bad credit, you first have to decide whether or not refinancing makes sense. It does make sense if you are able to get a lower interest rate on your new loan. It also makes sense if your ultimate goal is to simply get a lower monthly payment. A refinance auto loan with bad credit doesn't make sense if the new loan results in higher interest costs. When all is said and done, it really depends on what you as the borrower is comfortable with. If you are fine with paying more interest in the long run in order to get a lower monthly payment that you are happier with, then the refinance option makes sense. How bad credit can affect your loan application process. Having bad credit doesn't necessarily affect how the loan application process is carried out. It does, however, make a difference who you turn to in order to get a refinance car loan. Not all lenders will work with you if you have a bad credit, so chances are you may not be able to turn to your local lender if you have had issues with your credit in the past. There are lenders who deal specifically with people with bad or no credit, and these are the lenders that you are going to want to find for your refinance auto loan with bad credit. One thing to keep in mind when you want to refinance auto loans with bad credit is that there is most likely going to be an increased cost associated with getting the loan. You'll experience this either by having to pay a hefty down payment on the loan, or you might experience it when you are presented with high interest rates and this is your only option. The interest rate you qualify for could be as high 8%, 10%, 15%, or more depending on your particular credit situation. How to reduce refinancing costs. Since chances are you are going to be paying a higher amount of money for your loan in the long run, you'll want to do everything in your power to reduce the costs of refinancing upfront. Consider the possibility of going through your local lender for your refinancing needs. If they are willing to work with you even though you have bad credit, you might be able to reduce your costs by negotiating the terms of your loan agreement since you have been a loyal customer to them. Dealing with your local lender would also eliminate having to pay loan transfer fees for your refinance auto loan with bad credit. If you are looking to refinance your vehicle even if your credit history is not great, you should find out what your credit score is. You can find guidance on what your credit report and score means on the page below. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.